Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Honda Ridgeline Sport. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice little tow hitch, we do get a backup camera, we do get a hard tunnel cover, which is pretty handy, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front. We do get some lights on your mirrors as well. And moving to the front real quick, we do get a license plate bracket, the nice little sport logo there with a block heater, and that nice Honda grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, got a little step, you got some storage underneath the seats as well, floor mats, we have rear vents, storage, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space and a little storage cubby. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Gas cap, you have your lane keep, traction, cargo light, collision, eco mode, and mirrors all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 22,898 kilometers. We have this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, we have a toggle for your screen, phone, voice, source, volume, and toggle for your media. And looking here, we do get our fastened seatbelt, distance empty, tire pressure, oil life, all that jazz. And to my right, we have our traction management system, which does include normal, snow, mud, sand, and normal again. Got some storage here as well with some outlets, and it does close. You can move this back and forth, and it does close here as well for a nice sleek look. Cup holders, gear select, more storage here, outlet with USBs. You have heated front seats, CD, storage below. We do have our climate controls with dual climate up front. You have your heated mirrors, and looking here, we do get our infotainment system. Your hazards are right there. Above me, we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And here as well, we do have a powered rear window opener, which is pretty freaking handy. Garage door transmitter, and looking at our main screen now, we do have our phone, information, audio, HomeLink, smart connection, settings. It is touchscreen. You get little screens that you can add different apps to. All that jazz. Volume and your menu. You have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and all that fun stuff. Aux, iPod, all that jazz. Back, you can change the brightness, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8016, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.